Okay guys, if you own a Nissan Pathfinder with the 4-liter V6 or a Frontier and you hear near the power steering pump what sounds like ball bearings being dropped into an aluminum cooking pot, it's not the power steering pump. It's the timing chain slapping back and forth. It hits on a steel stiffener plate inside the front of the timing cover. It bounces off and it hits the front timing cover. And like a lot of people online, they said, hey, I replaced my power steering pump and the noise is still there. Yeah, I did it too. And then finally noises got louder, so we're into a 18 to 20 hour timing chain replacement on this vehicle. But hey, if you hear that noise, if you hear that high-pitched whine noise, let me show you what that is. Okay, see if I can get you down in here where you can see. This is the new timing chain. See that gouge mark? That is directly opposite of the marks in the front cover I just showed you. So the timing chain slaps back and forth in between that steel plate and the front cover. That's the ball bearings or marbles in a pot sound. I don't know if I can show you this one. Let's see. Oh, it's hidden. Right behind here. You can see my chain is loose because there's no hydraulic oil pressure. Right behind here, there are 3 bosses. One right there, one right there. Let's see. One right there. Right there you can see part of one. Anyway, if I had this off and there was a good amount of light, you would see those are chewed through almost 3/8 of an inch. Well, that's the high-pitched whine you hear. It's these teeth, or actually these pins, running across those back there. This is the marbles or ball bearings in a pot sound you hear. So, this was a defect. Nissan knows about it. They basically flipped us all the bird. And if your vehicle has over 120,000 miles, they say that's the life of your vehicle anyway. They won't replace it. They finally there was a class action lawsuit. They finally did agree to fix vehicles in like 11 states. So if you're lucky and you're in one of those states and your vehicle has less than 120,000 miles, you might be able to get something out of them. But for the most part, you're SOL. And this is like an 18 to 20 hour job. Some of the shops actually pull the engine out and do everything and put it back in 10 hours. But if you're doing it like this way, where you're not removing any more than is absolutely necessary, yeah, it takes longer. So, but I'm also not having to refill my AC, things like that a garage doesn't care about, because you're going to pay for it anyway, or the warranty's going to pay for it anyway. But it's about a $1,500 to $2,000 job in a shop. So my suggestion is, you hear that noise, get it fixed soon or get rid of it. Thanks for watching, guys.